Welcome to Dear Hometalk. I'm Abbie. I'm here to go through Hometalk's DIY forum to give people creative DIY solutions to their home and garden problems. Before we get started, hit subscribe so you don't miss any great ideas from Hometalk. I'm scrolling through Hometalk's DIY forum to find a question to answer. Angela says, Dear Hometalk, I have a cat and I live in a small apartment. How can I hide the ugly litter box? I hate looking at it. Okay guys, let's get started. First stop was Home Depot. I was fortunate enough to find a medium-sized plastic terracotta pot that had a perfect removable bottom. Next, I hopped on over to Michael's and I grabbed some floral foam, some fake moss, and some fake plants. First, you're going to want to draw a hole that's big enough for your cat to climb into. Next, grab a wood burner tool and begin tracing the outline. You're definitely going to want to put something over your mouth so you don't breathe in the fumes of the melting plastic. A combination of the wood burner tool and some scissors is really going to get this hole to open up. Once it's open, begin sanding. I used a combination of a metal file, a piece of sandpaper, and some scissors. This really shaved down the hole and made it look like it came that way. Remove the bottom of the plastic terracotta pot and add a plastic bag into it. Next, add some kitty litter and place it back into the plastic pot. I was looking around for the perfect top, and I came across this plastic pot saucer. Add the plastic saucer to the top and begin gluing the floral foam. Add some moss and begin adding your greenery. And there you have it. Jerry loves it. He instantly climbed in and was right at home. As you can see, we cut the hole a little too low and Jerry kicked some litter on the ground. So keep that in mind when you're cutting the hole to cut it a little bit higher so the litter can stay in the bottom better. This planter really brightened up that corner of our apartment where his kitty litter used to be. To change the litter, remove the top. And you can easily remove the plastic bag and change the kitty litter. If you're not into the kitty litter idea, you can also add a blanket in the bottom and it's a perfect little cat house. Jerry really likes to hide all his toys in there. I hope this inspired you to find an eyesore in your home and give it new life. Got a question you need answered? Write us Dear Hometalk at the DIY forum, link down below in the description. Thanks for watching!